In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for scheduling tasks and meetings. Let's dive in and make your life a bit more organized. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. If you've never visited this site before, just type in Google Calendar into your browser's search bar and click on the first result. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, you'll need to log into your Google account. So go ahead and enter your email address. If you haven't already created an account, it's easy and free to set up on the Google homepage. After entering your email, click on the Next button. Here, you'll need to fill in your password, make sure to keep it secure, and never share it with others. Once you've done that, click Next again to complete the sign-in process. Now you're on your personal Google Calendar. Let's start by creating a task. On the left-hand side, you'll see a plus icon or a Create button. Click on it, then select Task from the drop-down menu. This option is perfect for creating your to-do lists and smaller reminders. Once you've clicked Task, a window will pop up asking for a task name. Enter a descriptive name so it's clear what you're supposed to do. It's always helpful to add as much detail as possible for better time management. After giving your task a name, you'll need to choose the time you'd like to set. Simply click on your desired time slot in the calendar view. Lastly, don't forget to click on Save to ensure your task is locked in. If you're looking to schedule a meeting, the process is quite similar. Again, click on Create, but this time you'll select Event from the drop-down menu. This feature is great for scheduling meetings with others and setting up appointments. Once you've chosen Event, you'll be prompted to enter an event name. Make sure it's something descriptive and easy to recognize at a glance. When picking a time, you can also select a date by clicking the calendar icon. This step is crucial when coordinating with others, so make sure it aligns with everyone's availability. After setting your time and date, go ahead and click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully created both a task and a meeting in Google Calendar. Utilizing these features will help keep your schedule organized and ensure you don't miss out on important tasks or meetings. Thank you for joining today. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to continue mastering Google tools and improving your productivity.